Hey guys, thanks for watching. You're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. I'm Arthur. Today we're going to get the Armorlite flooring system clean in the Jeep. Recently we were able to go out on an off-road trip and get it good and muddy. If you've been watching my videos, you know that we did a video on the features and benefits of the Armorlite flooring system, also an installation video. In this video we're going to show you how to clean it and how well it cleans, and some of the products I like to use to clean it with. So let's jump into it and let's get started. One of the products we're going to use today in cleaning the Armorlite flooring system is the Super Clean foaming degreaser. Now, you don't necessarily have to use something as strong as Super Clean to get the Armorlite flooring clean. Usually even Dawn dish lotion, some other milder cleaners like Simple Green, Mean Green, some of those work really well. This is just one of my favorites that I like to use. The foaming action, we only use a little bit of the cleaner. The foaming action helps it just kind of attach itself or bond to whatever you're spraying on a little bit better. So we're going to use the Super Clean, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of ways or steps on how I'm going to clean this. There's a couple different things you can do to make this process a little easier. So let's get started on those, and then we're going to jump in the Jeep and start washing the Armorlite flooring. Super Clean foaming dissolves grease, super easy, super fast, biodegradable. Okay, so one of the things that we want to do first is, now that we have the Armorlite flooring system muddy, one good thing is we want to use just a little bit of light water pressure, and I'll show you that in the video. But we're going to take water first and kind of spray the flooring system to get the dirt and the soiled mud and all that stuff, kind of break it loose. I'm going to work it in with a brush, and then we'll rinse the heavy stuff out, and we'll drop it through the drain in the floor, and I'll show you that as well. And then we're going to use the Super Clean to kind of give it a final touch and bring back the nice shiny black finish. So let's go through those. Let me get the camera set up so you can kind of watch the process, and we'll see how well we can get this cleaned. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of water to this. You don't want to spray a bunch of water in here and splash it everywhere, so we're just going to put a little bit of water in here to help break this up. Then I'm going to come back with get you a brush that's got a medium to stiff bristle. I'm just going to kind of come in here and just work this water around a little bit just to kind of break this up. Go ahead and pull the plug. Get the plug opened up. Now that we got the bulk of this, get that leaf out of there. Now that we got the bulk of this mud and dirt wet and loose, now we're going to go back with another little rinse. As you can see, we're getting the bulk of the dirt and mud washed out. Take a little piece of the leaf and trash out there. Going right out the drain. You can see right there, we're still rinsing some more. Since the flooring system is kind of textured, you know, the mud and dirt and grime gets down into the texture, and you can see we're just still rinsing it out a little bit. So this will get the heavy stuff out before you go back and add any cleaner. Now I'm going to go in with the Super Clean. We're just going to give it one little shot, and we're just going to work this in. Go ahead and get the gas clutch brake. Just kind of work that in. Give it a good scrub. Now we're going to do a rinse. Kind of starting up top, rinse our way down. Oh, gotta be careful with the water pressure. You just don't want to soak everything else in the Jeep, but you don't have to. If you think there's still some spots that's got a little bit of dirt as you're rinsing, just kind of go over it. Now, if you think that you may have gotten some water underneath the flooring system, that's okay, because this is usually a good area where you might be able to get a little bit of water to get underneath it. That's fine. These plugs are designed where you can just reach in here and pop it out. Just lay it to the side. Now there, any moisture that or water buildup that got underneath the mat will now drain out. So this is a water resistant material on the underside, so you don't have to worry about it exactly absorbing the water. And after you get through washing it, grab your wife's favorite bath towels and dry everything up. Just wipe it clean and get it dry. Okay, so we got the driver's side and the passenger side cleaned. Let's take a look at this. So guys, that's how easy it is to clean the Armorlite flooring system. It's basically, it self-drains. It doesn't absorb water. It won't mildew or get stinky and smelly. It's got drain plugs. If some water gets in underneath it, pull the whole drain plug out. The water that gets in underneath it will drain out on its own. The matting system on the back side, if it gets moisture or wetness, it will dry on its own. And I prefer to use the Super Clean, the foaming Super Clean. It's biodegradable. It's a great, super strong cleaner. Just need to make sure you do a couple little test spots. If you noticed, I didn't use a lot, and I already had some water down on the mat, so the water mixed with just a little bit of Super Clean helped with a little bit of dilution. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a comment below, and this, if you're first time visiting the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video and share it. And I'd like to hear if you got the Armorlite flooring system, what chemicals are you using to clean it, and what are the kind of results that you're getting, and how much are you enjoying it. I'm really enjoying this flooring system. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to dive into all the Q&A that I get about the flooring system. I'm kind of compile those into a list, into a single video, and answer all the questions that I get on social media platforms, direct messages, emails, and so forth. So hey, share the video, leave a comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys.